What if I told you there's a secret method to explode your affiliate earnings using Pinterest without spending a dime on ads? In the next few minutes, you'll uncover powerful tips that could transform your income stream overnight. Don't miss out! First, let's talk about the importance of creating visually compelling pins. Your pin needs to stand out in the crowded Pinterest feed, so focus on eye-catching images and bold, readable text overlays. High-quality images are a must. Blurry or pixelated pictures won't cut it. Think about using bright colors or contrast to draw attention, and make sure your text is easy to read on mobile devices. Remember, a clean and professional design can significantly boost your click-through rates. Now, let's dive into the use of keywords. Keywords are crucial for getting your pins discovered. Think about what your potential audience might be searching for and include those keywords in your pin descriptions, titles, and even in your image file names. Pinterest is a visual search engine, so treat it like one by optimizing your content for discoverability. Don't overload your pins with irrelevant keywords. Focus on key phrases that accurately describe your content and resonate with your target audience. Leveraging Pinterest algorithm is another powerful strategy. Pinterest favors pins that generate engagement, so encourage users to save or click on your pins by making them as appealing and relevant as possible. Consistency is key here. Regularly pinning content keeps your profile active and shows Pinterest that you're a frequent contributor, which can help boost your visibility. Additionally, consider using rich pins to provide more information at a glance, making your pins even more enticing. So, what are some design tips you can implement right away to optimize your pins for affiliate marketing success? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit DigMarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Group boards are an excellent way to grow a targeted following on Pinterest. When you join and contribute to these boards, your pins are exposed to a larger audience. This helps you tap into a community that's already interested in your niche. Seek out active group boards related to your content and start sharing your best pins. Make sure to follow the group board rules to maintain a positive presence. Community engagement is crucial. Interacting with other users by liking, repinning, and commenting on their content can significantly boost your visibility. It's like having a conversation when you engage with others. They're more likely to check out your profile and engage with your pins in return. Try to respond to comments on your pins and show appreciation for repins to build a loyal community around your content. Creating content that resonates with Pinterest users' interests is key. Understand your audience by researching popular trends and topics within your niche. Use Pinterest analytics to see which pins perform best and build on that success with similar content. Fresh, original pins that reflect what your audience loves will keep them coming back for more. Which technique do you think will grow your Pinterest following the fastest? Leave your thoughts in the comments.